Love or jealousy at first sight? I was 16, young and cold-hearted on the outside, but deep down, like all other teenage girls, even I wished to be loved. It was a Sunday evening, exams were over, so I was desperately waiting to visit my favorite place, a place where I often went in search of peace. The love comics on the wall, the small wooden coffee tables, the cute little bean bags, the soft music, the light-colored walls, the humble staff and the sweet aroma of coffee were the only things I could think about. When I reached, I was astonished to see a horde waiting outside the cafe. My anxiousness made me jump from the bike and interrogate the manager about the situation. Luckily it was nothing but a power cut. I had no choice other than waiting and cursing myself for coming alone. I soon started frisking around. And there I saw a guy arriving on his bike wearing red t-shirt and black tracks, with a gym bag on his shoulders, tall, fair and handsome. I was bewitched by his charm. No sooner did I notice a girl from the crowd calling his name and walking towards him. The smile on his face made it very obvious that it was none other than his girlfriend. Seeing them together made me feel low. Waiting there any longer was next to impossible, so I just drove back home. He was a complete stranger, I knew nothing about him, but then too seeing him with a girl made me feel like I had pit in my stomach. All of a sudden I had lost my appetite and getting sleep was even harder. And there it was, the brain and the heart clash. My brain stopped me as he was with someone, but my heart wanted to talk to him, to get to know him. There were a lot of questions going on inside me, but the question which kept me awake for several nights was it jealousy or love at first sight? End.
Back to start, I never thought in my whole teenage life that I would ever experience that thing, the thing which people at my age call love. I always felt that teenage people can get attracted to a person, but love is big word. I mean, I took it is a four-letter word, but in this cinema and society makes it a big deal. Well, it was not that big. I mean, you never have it love. You feel it. After my school life, I was left with 1 year to find my passion and study for entrance exam. Studying all day made me bored, so I used to go to this park side near my house. I was literally in my last teenage years, so I was willing to explore all new stuff. One day I saw this guy looking at me from far away. I thought maybe he wanted to say something. But he went away. Next day on my way to park in the morning, I heard the sound of cycle behind me. It was strange because normally people come by foot. So I turned my head and saw this guy with the uniform of some college, I guess, with wet hair and a bag on back. I started cycling with my speed and asked me my name and a kind of formality he asked this. He actually wanted my physics copy for not, as I heard from some people that he was preparing and so was he for the entrance exam. Well, when a guy with a cute smile asks you that or want something, how can you say no? In the evening I gave him my copy and with that my hat. Now every morning was a happy morning for me. I used to see him. For the first time I was so open to a boy who was just my friend. For the next 6 months we met in the road, in parks, in coaching class, but never shared phone number. He was a gentleman. When in winter the morning used to be a little dark, he used to wait for me at the corner to go together. When in our morning class teacher had not opened door to class, we used to wait outside it, log about stuff and knock the door, competing on whose knock will answer listen to and open the door. That is how we spent 6 months, and at the last day of our class we just were sad and said bye. That is all. He thought of asking his number to stay in touch, but the ego came in way and he didn't try to contact me. Or maybe if he had, then he wouldn't be able to because he was not on social media. He thought it was and who knew it was the beginning only. A year later, in my first class of college hear a voice from back of row calling me. There was nothing changed but only a few installés. Even now with wet hair and some smile en face. The story has just begun and now I know if it is not love then it also not friendship. Maybe in between somewhere but we can figure that latte and enjoy the present. If you really have feeling for someone just when my friend nature sees it, all good is on its way. As it says, patience girl patience and you will have the whole world. P.S. Now I finally kept my ego acid and asked his number. It is love day say it is sweet, I say let's live, he says, END. Live.